Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make mint Oreo ice cream. First, gather your ingredients: 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, and a pinch of salt. You'll also need 1 teaspoon of mint extract and about 1.5 cups of crushed Oreo cookies. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's prepare the ice cream base. In a medium saucepan, combine the heavy cream, whole milk, granulated sugar, and a small pinch of salt. Heat this mixture over medium-low heat, stirring until the sugar completely dissolves. Do not boil it. Once dissolved, remove from heat and let it cool. Then, refrigerate the mixture for at least 2 hours or preferably overnight to ensure it's very cold. With your base thoroughly chilled, it's time to add the signature flavors. Stir in 1 teaspoon of mint extract until it's well combined. Next, prepare your Oreo cookies. You'll want about 1.5 cups of crushed cookies. You can crush them in a food processor or by placing them in a bag and using a rolling pin. These will be added later for that delightful crunch. Finally, it's time to churn your delicious creation. Pour the chilled mint base into your ice cream maker and churn according to the manufacturer's instructions, usually for 20 to 25 minutes. During the last 5 minutes of churning, add the crushed Oreo cookies. Once churned, transfer the ice cream to an airtight container and freeze for at least 4 hours to firm up. Check the description for the Echo Dot link and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.